This is why you never ignore strange sounds in your car. This mechanic had a customer come into his shop saying the car was making a strange creaking noise while driving. At first it seemed like a normal issue, a clunk, a crunch, something you'd expect from worn suspension or loose parts. But the deeper he looked, the worse it became. That's when he realized this wasn't just a noise problem. Half of the car had been completely eaten by rust. The corrosion had spread into the chassis, causing serious structural damage. Every bump, every turn, the car was flexing while in motion. This is why you never ignore strange sounds in your car.